See one more problem. If each root of the equation x square minus 6 lambda x plus 2 minus 2 lambda plus 9 lambda square is equal to 0 is greater than 3, then which option is correct option among the given four? So if both the roots of the quadratic equation greater than 3, there you have to decide the range of lambda. Take the first condition. For both the roots of the quadratic equation greater than 3, first condition, a into f of k must be greater than 0. So there a representing coefficient of x square, that is 1. F of k representing 3, that must be greater than 0. So what is f of 3? So in the quadratic expression, in place of x you have to substitute 3. There x square becomes 9, minus 6 lambda x becomes minus 18 lambda. The remaining expression 2 minus 2 lambda plus 9 lambda square, that must be greater than 0. Convert this into standard form. So first I am writing 9 lambda square minus 18 lambda minus 2 lambda becomes minus 20 lambda, 9 plus 2 becomes 11, that is greater than 0. So factorizing this quadratic expression, this part, this can be written as lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 11 by 9, that must be greater than 0. So these are the factors for the quadratic expression. To decide the range of lambda to satisfy this inequality, let us consider sign scheme, that is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Lambda minus 1 becomes 0 for lambda is equal to 1. Lambda minus 11 by 9 becomes 0 for lambda is equal to 11 by 9. So you know, in the first interval this product is positive, here it is negative, here it is positive by wavy curve method. Because I want this product to be greater than 0, therefore lambda lies in the interval minus infinity to 1 open, union 11 by 9 to plus infinity, 11 by 9 also open, because here we are having strictly greater than 0. So first condition is satisfied if lambda lies in this interval. Let us go for the second condition. I said second condition is minus b by 2a, that must be greater than k. Minus b by 2a, that becomes minus of minus 6 lambda, 2 into a becomes 1, that must be greater than 3. K means 3. So common factor 6 will get cancelled. Therefore I can say that k must be greater than, lambda must be greater than 1. Lambda must be greater than 1. So lambda greater than 1 means I can say lambda lies in the interval 1 to infinity. 1 is open interval. So second condition is satisfied if lambda lies in the interval 1 to infinity. Let us go for the third condition. Third condition I told, discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0. So discriminant of this quadratic equation, b square means 36 lambda square minus 4, a means 1, c means 2 minus 2 lambda plus 9 lambda square, that must be greater than or equal to 0. So cancel common factor throughout the inequality. It is 9 lambda square minus of 2 minus 2 lambda plus 9 lambda square greater than or equal to 0. See that 9 lambda square minus 9 lambda square will get cancelled. It is minus into minus plus. 2 lambda minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, lambda greater than or equal to 1. That means lambda lies in the interval 1 to infinity. 1 is closed because I took here discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, 1 is closed here. So, first condition is satisfied, lambda lies in this interval. Second condition is satisfied if lambda lies in the interval 1 to infinity. Third condition is satisfied if lambda lies in the interval 1 to infinity, 1 is closed. For both the roots of the quadratic equation greater than 3, all these three conditions must be satisfied simultaneously. That means we have to take intersection of 1, 2 and 3. Let us consider real line. Now let us consider real line. It is from minus infinity to plus infinity. So first inequality valid if lambda lies in the interval minus infinity to 1. Say this is 1. It is valid in the interval minus infinity to 1. Again it is valid in the interval 11 by 9 to plus infinity. 11 by 9 to plus infinity. That second condition is satisfied if lambda lies in the interval 1 to infinity. 1 is open. That second condition is satisfied in the interval 1 to infinity. Third condition is satisfied in the interval 1 to infinity, but 1 is closed. So in this interval, third condition is satisfied. So all the three conditions are satisfied in their common interval. See the common interval for these three, that is from 11 by 9 to plus infinity is the common interval. Therefore, I can say lambda belongs to the interval 11 by 9 to plus infinity. 11 by 9 is open. 11 by 9 is open interval. So, lambda lies in the interval 11 by 9 to plus infinity. But in the options he did not give like that. See, lambda lies in that interval means I can say lambda greater than 11 by 9. 9 lambda greater than 11. 9 lambda minus 11 greater than 0. Drop minus sign. So dropping minus sign I can say 11 minus 9 lambda greater will become less because minus sign is dropped. See, option was given in this form. So I can say B option is the correct option. For more videos, subscribe.